Students, I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking 5th standard English subject. Today's topic is lesson number 7, an unforgettable day. Let us continue the lesson, an unforgettable day. The doctor was only too pleased with the children's response. He cheerfully told Reva, cheer up. Take these tablets. Be careful about what you eat, and you will be all right by the time your parents are back. So now doctor was too pleased because after the doctor scolded to the children because Reva felt ill because of eating junk food. So doctor scolded the children. So, after his scolding, the children felt ashamed and apologized. So, the doctor was pleased with the children's response. Now he cheerfully told Reva, "Don't worry, be cool, cheer up, take these tablets, take these medicines. You will be careful what you are eating, and you will be fine. You will be okay, all right, within the time your parents back." After the doctor left, Arav cleaned the house. After doctor left, now doctor left, doctor went back. So Arav cleaned the house because now they understood the values of cleanness and eating healthy food. Now after the doctor left, Arav cleaned the house. Reva was also up after some time and helped to clean up the house. Now Reva also feeling better. Reva also feeling better, and after some time, after taking some rest, she also stood up and helped to clean up the house. By night, the house was spick and span. Again, so were the children. By the night, now it was a night. By the night, the house was spick and span. Spick and span means very clean and tidy. Spick and span means the house was, by the night, the house was very clean and tidy. Again, and so were the children. Children also very clean and tidy. When their parents arrived, they were surprised to find the house and the children so clean. Now their parents came back. Now their parents came back to the house. Their parents arrived and they were totally surprised by seeing the house and by seeing the children. They were surprised to find the house and the children so clean and neat. Reva hugged her mother and said, "Oh, mother, we really missed you. We are so glad to have you back." Now, after their parents arrived back to home, Reva hugged her mother and said, "Oh, mother, we really missed you. We are so glad to have you back." Because now Reva understood the values what their mother said, what their mother taught to them about the cleanliness and eating healthy food. "Well, you certainly can look after yourself," she said to her children. Now she said to her children, now Reva's and Arav's mother said to them, "Look after yourself," she said to her children. The children were only too happy to hear this, but they also knew that it was the most unforgettable day. So the children were too happy. Now, what their mother said, "You certainly can look after yourselves." After hearing this, the children were too happy to hear this from their mother, but also they knew that it was the most unforgettable day because they know that what they did, what the mischievous things they did, and how they became ill, how was the day, they knew all the things. So they knew that it was the most unforgettable day for the Arav and Reva. So students, Here we completed our lesson, An Unforgettable Day. Hope you understood the story. So you have to always listen to your elders, always listen to your mother and father. Now it's time to take the homework. Here some keywords or difficult words are given from the lesson. Let's see. Woke up with a start. Woke up suddenly because that person is surprised or afraid. Fleety, very dirty. Rubbish, something that is useless or of very low quality. Apologized, told someone that you are sorry for doing something wrong. Tablets, small hard round piece of medicine. Spick and span, very clean and tidy. Look after, to care of someone or something. So here are the some keywords from the lesson An Unforgettable Day. So write these keywords in your English homework notebook. Write in a good handwriting and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.